I'm Kaushik Kale from Stampit Robotai Solutions Pvt Limited. We are a Mumbai-based company, started in 1974. We'll be completing 50 years this year. We are the only Indian company manufacturing dot peen marking machines, which are world class, and are selling these machines not just in India, but in more than 50 countries. We already have presence in Europe, in USA, in South Korea, in Japan, Australia, and many more countries. Just to give you an idea of the kind of products that we have, we launched. This is our flagship product. We launched this machine in EMO, and from that point we have not looked back. This is one of the favorite machines today in India as well as in Europe, and even today, in spite of 5, 6 years, 10 years, this machine still remains the lightest machine in its category. It is equipped with a Makita battery. Later on, we also launched a bigger machine, which is a 150 by 50 machine, and this is one of the most popular models today running across the globe. Everybody loves this because of the large window size and still being extremely low weight. At this exhibition, we have now launched a battery operated machine which has got a built-in touchscreen on the top of it. So this is our new addition to the family of portable machines. This is also another machine that we have, which is mainly used where the customer or the application requires deep marking. Where you want to mark 0.6 to 0.8 millimeter deep. This is the machine which we sell a lot. It comes with a controller and with a cable, unlike a battery, but this works like a charm. We also have the tabletop machines over here, which also have touchscreen based interface. At the same time, they are Ethernet based machines, so you can also connect the same machine to a PC using Ethernet connection. And of course, now we also have a complete range of laser marking machines. The class 1 laser marking machines, we have our own MOPA lasers from 30 watt, 60 watt, 80 watt and 120 watt. And we are looking forward to also selling these lasers here in Germany. We have already set up an office in Poland, from where we are extending service support across Europe.